Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Monday. I hope you guys have had a wonderful weekend and that you guys have been behaving yourself. This week we are talking about something new. Look at the pictures and tell me, can you guess what we're talking about this week? Look at the pictures. Birds! We are going to talk about birds. Okay, so first thing I want to ask you is, what is a bird? Do you know what a bird is? Okay, a bird is an animal that has wings, it has feathers, and a beak. Okay, now the beak is that little orange, the orange mouth. Okay, you call it a beak. Okay, they also lay eggs. Okay, like you see here behind me, they lay eggs. Now, most birds can fly, but not all of them. There are some birds that can't fly. Even though they have wings, their bodies are maybe too heavy or their wings aren't big enough, like an ostrich, a chicken, or a penguin. Okay, so those are all birds that can't fly. The rest of the birds can all fly, okay? And maybe you can think of other examples of birds that can't fly. Okay, then you can let me know. All right, now I want to ask you, what sound does a bird make? That's right, they all make different sounds. For example, a duck is a bird. Hey, and what sound does a duck make? Quack, quack. That's very good. An owl, I don't have a picture of an owl for you, but a owl makes a sound like, right, that's the sound that an owl makes. So they all make different sounds, okay? They go, and little baby birds go cheep, cheep. All right, some birds, like a parrot, go squawk. Okay, so they all make different sounds. So you can listen outside for birds and you can listen to all the different sounds they make. You must wake up early in the morning and then you will hear lots and lots of birds. Okay, now I want to ask you, what season are we in now? We are in autumn, and soon it's going to be winter, and it gets very, very cold in winter. All right, now I want you to think, in winter, do we get a lot of birds flying in the sky? No, we get a few birds now and then, but what happens is in winter, birds fly to different countries where it is warmer. Birds don't like the cold, so they fly up into a different country higher up so that they can get nice and warm. And then when it warms up here again, when spring comes, all the birds come back. All right. Okay, now I want to ask you, where do birds live? Do they live in a house? Or do they live in the water? Where do birds live? That's right, they live in trees. And what do they make in trees where they live? In nests. Very good. Right. And they make those nests out of twigs and feathers and even hair. They even use hair to make their nests. Okay. They use grass and straw. They use all different things to make nests. Okay. I wish I had a nest to show you. I have one at school, but I couldn't get it. So you'll have to look for pictures of a nest. Okay, but it looks something like this. Okay, they all have different, they have sticks all over the place. All right. Okay, they can also live in bird houses. Sometimes people put up nice bird houses. Maybe you have one in your garden, I don't know. But you get nice bird houses that you can also put up in the tree that they can live in. Hey, sometimes you will find them in the roof of your house even. Sometimes they like to live just underneath where it's nice and warm and they won't get wet. So different birds make their nests in different places. Some birds like to make their nest in the trees. Some like to make their nest in the roof of your house. Others like to make a nest by the water, like ducks. They like swimming in water. Hey, so they want to have their nest nice and close to the water. All right. When I was small, we used to have a big light that was up outside, And there was every single year a bird would come and build his nest out of mud, and it was a big nest that they would have coming out. And every year the birds would come back, and we even saw little baby birds. When they learned how to fly, they would come out, and then we would see the little baby birds learning how to fly. It was very cool. Okay, now I want to ask you, what do birds eat? That's right, they love eating seeds and fruit and worms. They love eating yummy worms. And again, they also like to eat different things. Now, who remembers when we spoke about herbivores and carnivores and omnivores? It was quite a while ago already. But we also spoke about an eagle and how an eagle likes to eat meat. So those really big birds like the eagles and vultures as well, they want to eat meat. So they will look for maybe animals, little animals like mice and things like that, okay, and they like to eat those. And the rest of the birds like to eat seeds like this, okay, and yummy worms. All right, so let's have a closer look at our pictures. Here we've got a duck, we've got the egg sitting in the nest. We've got a picture of a feather. I wish I had a real feather to show you, but I couldn't find any. So what I want you to do today is I want you to go into your garden and see if you can find a feather. Okay. We've got a picture of a parrot. We've got the seeds that the birds like to eat. They look like little seed cakes, hey. We've got a pigeon, and here we've got a little baby bird. Do you see the baby birds? And here we've got, this is a very special bird. It's called a secretary bird. Can you say secretary? Very good. It's a secretary bird. And secretary birds love eating snakes. Okay, so here you can see he just caught a snake and now he's about to eat it. And here we've got a pretty bird sleeping. Alright. And here we've got a bird in the snow. He's playing in the snow. Hey, that looks like fun. Alright, boys and girls, that's it about birds. I want to teach you a song. It looks like this. Okay, and it's called Five Little Ducks. I'm sure most of you know this song already. Okay, are you ready?
Bounce Patrol! Five little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only four little ducks came back. Four little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only three little ducks came back. Three little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only two little ducks came back. Two little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only one little duck came back. One little duck went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but none of the five little ducks came back. Sad Mother Duck went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother Duck said quack, 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 and all of the five little ducks came back. Five little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother Duck said quack, 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 and all of the five little ducks came back. How many ducks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! Five little ducks went out one day over the hill
song, and then you guys are going to, maybe we can sing it on Friday when we meet again in the Zoom session, okay? And then we'll sing the song together. All right. I want to show you now, we're going to have a look at our shapes and colors and counting and all that stuff. So I want you sitting nicely. Are you making your butterfly wings? Very good. All right. What shape is this? A triangle. Very good. And what color is this triangle? Blue. Very good. Can we count the sides of the triangle? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. It has 3 sides. That's how we know it's a triangle. Hey. All right. That is our shape this week. All right. Can you count up to 10? All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good, boys and girls. Can we do our days of the week? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Very good. And our months of the year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Very good, boys and girls. Who is very, very, very clever? Can you tell me what month are we in now? We are in May. All right. And what comes after May? June. All right. So after May, it will be June. Okay. Now I want us to have a look at these shapes over here. Can you tell me what shape is this? A circle. What shape is this? Triangle. What shape is this? A rectangle. And what shape is this? A square. Very good. And can you tell me what color is this? Red. What color is this? Green. What color is this? Blue. What color is this? Yellow. Very good, boys and girls. Alright, boys and girls, that's it for today. I will see you again in another video tomorrow. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day today. I love you and I miss you, and I'll see you soon. Bye.